In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a diagonal line in a cell in Google Sheets. This might seem like a small detail, but it can be incredibly useful for creating visually appealing headers or organizing information within a single cell. Let's dive right in. To start, open up your Google Sheets document where you want to add the diagonal line. Once you've got your document ready, click on an empty cell where you'll insert the diagonal line. This can be any cell where you want to divide the space, typically used in a header or title row. After selecting your desired cell, navigate to the menu at the top of your screen and click on Format. You'll see a drop-down menu appear, and from there, select Border Style. This is where you'll control the visual aspects of the borders, including the option to add those diagonal lines. Within the Border Style section, you'll have various border options. Hover your cursor over the line options until you locate the diagonal line icon. When you click this, a diagonal line should appear in the selected cell, creating two separate triangular sections within one space. It's a simple click, yet it provides a great way to organize headings that have two categories or titles into one cell, particularly useful in spreadsheets that require clarity and conciseness. Now that the diagonal line is in place, you might be wondering how to best utilize the two sections your line creates. You can now type directly into the cell. Click on the cell and enter your first piece of text, let's say, for example, a category title. Press Alt and Enter simultaneously on your keyboard to insert a line break in the cell. This action will move your cursor to the line beneath, allowing you to continue typing your second piece of text in the bottom triangular section of the cell, like a subcategory or number that relates to your header. It's crucial to think about the design aspects of your spreadsheet as well. Consider matching the text alignment to the position of the diagonal line, so it creates an aesthetically pleasing result. For instance, if you've written in the top left triangle, align your text to the left, and if in the bottom right, align it to the right. This attention to detail goes a long way toward making your document look professional and well organized. Finally, a word of advice is to experiment with various styles and placements. Play around with the different diagonal options and see what suits your specific needs best. Sometimes, diagonal lines can be a great way to section off or label crucial parts of your data in a way that's both space-saving and good-looking. So, there you have it, a straightforward process on how to insert a diagonal line in a cell within Google Sheets, bringing clarity and structure to your spreadsheets. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Happy spreadsheet designing!